Let's sing the Phonics Song Level 7. Are you ready to fly? Come on, let's go! Letter A, Aviator. Letter B, Blizzard. Letter C, Celery. Letter D, Domino. Letter E, Eclipse. Letter F, Falcon. Letter G, Goggle. Letter H, Horizon. Letter I, Iceberg. Letter J, Javelin. Letter K, Kaleidoscope. Letter L, Lagoon. Letter M, Mirage. Letter N, Nectar. Letter O, Origami. Letter P, Pebble. Letter Q, Quasar. Letter R, Runway. Letter S, Safari. Letter T, Tornado. Letter U, Utensil. Letter V, Vanilla. Letter W, Windmill. Letter X, Phoenix. Letter Y, Yeti. Letter Z, Zeppelin. Now we know our splitting graph sounds. Happiness is all around. Now we know our splitting graph sounds. Happiness is all around. Yay, we did it! Phonics Level 7 complete. Sing it once more and feel the victory beat.